Once you've added your team and created a project and turned timesheets on, you will start to use your timesheets page. Once you open the page, you'll see the three different tabs here. You have your summary, pending approval, and approved. The summary will show you all of your team's time. I'm just going to go back to where I have some example time. So here you can see on the summary page, I can see all of the approved hours, and I can see hours pending approval. I can see how many hours were expected and how many hours were logged. So you can see this for all of your team for every single week. Here's a better example. So you can go through. You can see these are rejected hours. Again, rejected. And you can see all of your team's time. Now, the summary will show you draft hours, which is time that your team have added to their portals, but they have not yet submitted for approval. You can also see the approved time, the pending approval time, and also the rejected time. With the rejected time, once your team member amends the hours that were rejected, these will then change to pending approval with the new updates from your team member. So the goal is to have no rejected hours in your summary. There's also a button to return to this week. Pending approval, this will show you the timesheets that are pending approval from your management team that have been submitted by your team members. You can see the submission date and you can see the approval period. The approval period will show you the first day that they added time for in this timesheet and also the last. You can simply click on the time. We also show you the approved hours because we know some team members will submit their hours every single day after work so they don't forget. Some team members will submit them all in one monthly go. We didn't want to we wanted to make sure that you had all the information available to you so you could see how many hours were expected and how many were submitted. You can simply select and you can reject or you can approve. The approved screen will show you all of the approved hours for your team. Let's go back to a week with more examples. And the approved screen is a good place to see how many hours were expected and how many were approved. So you can make sure that all of your team are actually working the amount of expected hours. And if there's any differences, you can always ask them why. Thank you. Any questions, reach out. Thanks.